Hey guys, welcome to today's video. We're going to go over KB and UA. Every powder coater needs to know these two terms. It will make a big difference in how your powder sticks or doesn't stick. So this is going to be a two-part video. First part is going to be going over KB and UA. Second part of the video is how to enter our website giveaway at $250. We're going to use the comment section in this video to do that. We just gave away $250 for the trailer build, I think 2 weeks ago. Now is the $250 for the website giveaway. We also have a couple packages that we'll do probably here in the next month or so. So after this KB and microamp stuff, we will get into the details for that. So don't go anywhere. So as I'm reading this, I am going to put it up on the screen so you guys are able to see the literature that I'm looking at. I will not be reading it per Batum. I will be ab-libbing in it. Ab-libbing. Huh. I have no clue which one it is. So we're just basically, the whole point of this is to help some of you guys that do not understand KB and microamps. We're just trying to help you understand it to where you can adjust your systems instead of thinking, okay, we are having a hard time getting into this crease. Let's turn everything up because 100% is awesome. So we're going to explain more on this. Okay, so let's start. So what is KB? It's kilovolts, which is voltage. The amount of electrical pressure applied to the charge for powder particles. It helps create an electrostatic field between the gun and the grounded part. So basically it's like your, I would say, it's like your hose. Actually, I think they come into explaining it a little more, so I'll wait until after this. Okay, typical range is 40 to 100. When to use the different settings. Large flat parts, 60 to 100. It gives a strong field, covers more surface. Complex shapes, Faraday cage areas, which a lot of rims have, etc. 30 to 50 kilovolts. Lower KB helps the powder reach tight corners. Second coat, recoat, 20 to 40. Too much voltage can repel new powder. So basically all that was self-explanatory. So next, UA, microamps, is a current. The actual flow of electricity as a powder charge and sticks to the part, powder charges and sticks to the part. Indicates how much current is being drawn by the part from the gun. Typical range is 10 to 100. Why does UA matter? If UA is too high, powder can bounce off or build up unevenly. If UA is too low, you may not get enough wrap or attraction. In simple terms, KB, pressure in a hose. Actually, this is what I was actually gonna say a minute ago. KB, it's the pressure in a hose. It charges the powder, how strongly powder is pushed towards the part. So I've always been explained, when I first started, is a punch. Okay, so your KB is the punch. Okay, your microamps, it's the flow in the hose, how much charge is accepted, whether powder builds up correctly. So one's you're punching and the other is a follow through. Like if, for example, if you punch something and you just lightly hitting it, okay, that's one. If you hit it and you follow through, like you're trying to hit something on the other side of the punching bag, okay, that's the other one. So you need both of them. Otherwise, when you're just hitting that part, that flow from the KB is just nothing. You need that microamps to really put your charge into it. Optimal settings, Flat panels just went over. A kV is 70 to 100, microamps 40 to 80. Recoats or second coats, 20 to 40, 10 to 20. This is a good one to write down on your board. I have it on my board, actually, just when I'm doing things. I try to start with these settings, not so much live by them, but try to know what range I'm going to be in. Tight corners, Faraday cage areas, 30 to 50, 10 to 30. Okay, in tight areas like corners, recesses, or edges, turn the kV down. You have it up, you're screwing yourself. This reduces electrical push so the powder doesn't bounce off. It solves the Faraday cage problem. Sometimes it does. This is not set in stone because you can get your part so far down, the kV, that it don't stick. And then it's raining. As you're turning it up, then it's bouncing off. So you have to find that fine line with your kV and then bring your microamp into it too. So, okay, don't turn your microamps up. Turn UA, which can cause, turning up the UA can increase current, which can cause overcharging a part, sparking or back ionization, little rough spots or bumps, uneven coating in tight areas. A lot of your fisheyes, a lot of people don't realize, a lot of your fisheye is your microamp issue, not your kV issue. Yes, you can get fisheyes and stuff with your kV issue. Okay, that can cause your spider eye or fish eyes, spider webbing, whatever you want to call it. It's your microamps that is the one that's really causing most of your back ionization or your fish eyeing. So just kind of remember that it's backwards. As I was starting in this, I always thought it was kV and microamps was a second thought. Honestly, it's backwards. It's your microamps and your kV is your second thought. Okay, your kV is just pushing the powder to the attraction. Let's do it and try to get like the most layman terms we can do this. If I'm here and here, throwing a ball, right? I need the particles to go all the way to here. I'm charging enough to go this distance. If my kV is down, the parts fall here. My kV up a little bit more, parts fall here. kV up a little more, parts stick. That's perfect. kV too high, it's a ball that's bouncing off a wall at that point. It's not gonna, you take one of those rubber sticky balls, and I apologize for talking so much in this. You take one of those rubber sticky balls that you can throw at a wall, and if you do it too hard, it bounces off. You don't do it hard enough, it doesn't make it to the wall. That's your kV. Your kV is pushing your powder to your part. That's all that's doing. It's not the part so much about the grabbing or how sticky the ball is. Your UA is how sticky is that ball. Do we want the ball super sticky? Or do we want the ball, not sticky at all like a tennis ball? Then it'll just fall off. So you have it too sticky, and then you have a problem too, because then you're mixing it with your kV. I hope I explained that good enough. So I apologize if I made it more confusing. But where were we? Overcharging parts, back on, okay, next. So in those situations where you got corner, you got recesses, what should you do instead? Lower both your kV and your microamps. Example, drop to 30 to 50 kV, 20 to 50 UA. This creates a gentler charge and better powder penetration in your corner, into the corners. Or if your gun allows, switch to a preset mode like Reco or deep recess, which automatically bounces, so it's basically automatically balancing your kV and your UA for you. Bottom line, lower kV, less bounce. Lower UA, more control. Basically like we're just talking about with the ball bouncing off the wall. So no, don't turn your microamps up when your lower kV is in tight areas. Keep both on the low side for smooth coverage and no defects. So guys, please let me know if I can go deeper into this. This is just like a basic understanding of what you're dealing with your KB and your microamps. And like I said, we can go more deep into it. But I at least wanted to put it out there of what they are. And this is something that you can look back on if you're having an issue and you're like, shit, I don't remember what the hell was this one or what was that. Come back, watch our video, and hopefully it helps. And please, 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 if you have any issues or having a hard time understanding anything, it's basic. I mean, you don't have to know, you don't have to be a rocket scientist, more or less, let's say, and understand how it does what it does. You just need to understand why it does what it does and how to change it. So that's what this video is for. So if you have any questions, as you guys know, reach out to us on our Facebook Messenger. We deal with a lot of messages there or on here. Okay guys, enough for this. Now let's get into our giveaways. Hey guys, I will try to make this fast for you. I've done this video like 3, 4, or 5 other times, and it's hard to explain everything and make it fast, so I will do my best. Okay, just so you guys know, the gentleman that won the $250 did receive it. We had 4 or 5 other people try to claim it, but our process, we ask certain information that only the person's able to do or have. So we were able to push the scammers away and get the money to the right person. But that being said, scamming and bots is a big issue. So we're trying to take care of that right now. I talked to somebody on YouTube. They went through and explained bots to me a little bit and what they can and can't do. And we came up with a way to do this next giveaway. That will make it hard for bots and easier for you guys. So I'll go through the process quick. Number 1, you have to be a subscriber. If you're not a subscriber, you're not going to win. 17% of you guys that watch my videos are subscribers. That means a shitload of you guys are not. Not sure why we do giveaways here. If you're a subscriber, we pull out a subscriber pool, and sometimes we do giveaways like we are now, where you have to put stuff down in the comment section for things like our Bitcoin. You had to put stuff down in the comment section. Money, you have to put stuff down in the comment section. Things like these drawings down here, you don't necessarily have to. So, but you do have to be a subscriber. That being said, our next drawing has a few ways that we have to do it. So we have to use the word, first, subscribe. Use the word enter, E-N-T-E-R. Date, the number that's on our website, a video, any of our videos, the title to it, and then what you thought about our website, good, bad, or indifferent. Okay, so let me explain each of them. So the word enter is our way to be able to do our drawing, because we have to go by key phrases or keywords. So the word enter is our key phrase. But that doesn't necessarily mean if you don't follow the other steps, we can come up with that key phrase, and if you don't have the rest of the stuff, it'll just be thrown out. So no shortcut for the bots or the scammers. Our website, 3 to 5 days, it should be out. If you look here, I'll put it here. That's our website now. If you go on it and there's a monster on it, that's our old website. If you go on it and there's a caricature on it and you see our truck and the big pictures here and then there's a number under it, that's our number that we're talking about for this, and that's our website. So our old website is up right now. So hopefully by the time this is out, our new website will be up and running. If not, you may have to wait a day or 2 or 3. So please be patient. Okay, so the date you go on our website and that number you see, that number will change. This is to get around the bots too. I may change it daily. I may change it once every 3 days, but I will keep track of the date and what the number is. So if somebody does win, I will go down through, I'll check the date, I'll check the number. As long as it matches, you're all set. Okay. Third one is one of our titles to our videos. Not hard, just find one, put the title down. And the last thing, he said bots can't do meaningful wording or something like that. So by you going onto my website, which you have to go to anyways, just look through it. If you find an issue, please look for issues on there. I'm doing this to make the website as a soft opening. So I hope you find something. If you're a customer, not really a powder coater, but you'd like powder coaters websites to have certain information, let me know. Any questions, concerns, likes, dislikes about the website, that's what we need, that human part of it. So it's very basic. If this doesn't make sense, I will have an example of it. I'll do an example right here. Put it right up here. And I'll also have it down in the description, down there for you too. So, got that? So the website, very proud of it. I built it myself. I have a chat bot there. I had a designer help me with my chat bot and a couple of the plugs. I'm actually in a governance body for our town. I'm a trustee, or the village, I'm a trustee. So I was in charge of building their website, helping them build the website. I worked with a designer. She taught me a lot of stuff. Once I got done there, I was like, hell, I'm going to rebuild my website. So if you actually go on and you see my old website, look at it and then look at the difference of the new website. So once I had the knowledge, I just turned around and I built a new website, and now they're just putting it, making it go live. I guess it's 3 to 5 days or something like that. So to move my URLs around. So we'll see. But please, guys, subscribe. We have like 3 or 4 videos coming out soon. I'm trying to do like 1 a week at this point in time. We've been busy. I have a set of rims that's coming out. I have a bed liner coming out for running boards, and I think I have ski safety has some brackets on a small bracketry, I guess. So I'm trying to keep this under 5 minutes, so I apologize. I keep trying to look at the time. So yeah, guys, subscribe. We have giveaways. We have this one, $250. We have a one at the end of the season, $250. We have 2 surprise packs from last year that I don't remember what's in it. So hit that button. Okay, guys. Hope you guys have a good day. Hope you enjoy our website. Please give me information on the website, and I will see you in the next video.